Attention realtors. Are your listings struggling to shine? Imagine a buyer walking into a home that sparkles and feels inviting. That's where TidyTex Home Cleaning comes in. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in preparing homes for sale, ensuring they look their absolute best before those crucial showings. With our reliable and professional cleaning services, you can close deals faster and impress potential buyers. We understand the urgency. Our quick turnaround times mean you'll never miss an opportunity. Whether it's a last-minute open house or a scheduled showing, we'll make your listings shine like never before. Here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. Before any showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. A well-lit space makes a home feel bright and welcoming. This simple step can significantly enhance a buyer's experience. Want to elevate your listings? Contact TidyTex today. Visit app.tidytex.us or call us at 210-951-8206 for voice and text. Let's make those homes irresistible and take your sales to the next level. Check the video description for details and reach out today.